Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to sell a limit order on Photon step by step. So let's get started. So first off, you just have to open a browser. So if you wanted to search for Photon SOL, so you just have to search Photon SOL. So just click the one that will immediately reveal. And as you can see, this is the interface of the Photon SOL. So you could click any new pairs you want, but for me I just have to go in this trending results, and as you can see in here I just have to pick a random SOL, or you could also give filter whatever you want, as you can see in here. So I just have to pick, for example, Momshi. As you can see in here, you could see the sell button at the bottom right. As you can see the sell button, you just have to click that, and if you wanted to auto sell, you just have to click the circle auto sell, and there are many options in here. So you just have, it depends on you on what sell amount that you wanted and what hour or how many hours does it expire. And also there is an advanced settings for your auto sell option. And as you can see in here, there's a priority fee and a Burberry amount. So it depends on you if you want to default or in auto mode. And if you want to start your auto sell, just click create order, and that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful, and see you in the next one.